Here we are at the entrance to the property, with parking in this area, and to the right are the olive trees, etc., and the views over to the mountains that you can see. The house is on the left hand side as we walk round, and again wonderful views over the mountains in this particular area. And we are coming around now to the front of the property. This is a small rental cottage and the pool, which is covered because of the time of year. The vineyards are above the property, as you can see, and this is the house itself with the main entrance, and again more of the olive trees, and looking down to the valley from the small cottage. We're now walking to the main house, again giving an idea of the garden surrounding the property. Extremely quiet and peaceful here. Going in through the main entrance. There's the sitting area with an open fire, again some exposed stonework. There is also central heating in addition to the open fire. That central heating is wood fired. Larger dining room here. This is a kind of open plan sitting room and dining room, and that gives the full perspective of how it looks. Going into the kitchen. Kitchen itself is self-explanatory, with the exception of the fact that there is a large industrial pizza oven, basically because the property is an agriturismo, and when there are guests, the current owners offer pizzas, etc. for those guests at night. Through this way, we have another bathroom on this floor, and this is a garage cum utility area for making of the wine and olive oil. So this goes out to the parking area, which I showed in the initial video. And from here, back to the sitting room and dining room area. And now going upstairs. Here there's a large double bedroom with ensuite facilities. We go across to another double bedroom. Again, also with ensuite facilities. This leads off into a small kitchen. The reason for that is that this bedroom, kitchen and bathroom, can be closed off to form a single self-contained unit, with a separate entrance from the main entrance to the house, as you can see, and with its own balcony. There's also a seating area for this little apartment, which has a pergola, again for sitting outside and dining, should you so wish. Starting with the small cottage. This is made up of a sitting dining room area on the ground floor. There are exposed stonework and chestnut beam ceilings. Through to the right, there is a bathroom, which is a bathroom and shower. And further on is a storage area for outside equipment for the garden, etc. Turning back into the dining area, we go upstairs. And there's a large double bedroom. Again, a feature of this is the exposed stonework and the chestnut beam ceilings. Windows on both sides allowing in a lot of light, and a view from this window across the valley. Attached to this room is another smaller room in which there are 2 single beds, as can be seen. What normally happens is that when this part is rented out, if it's a family with small children, then the children can have the smaller room and their parents in this larger room, and the entire family essentially together.